Good morning, children. Welcome back to chapter number 12 in Moral Science. The chapter name is The Disloyal King. The meaning of disloyal is written over there, Bewafa. Let us just think for a while. The chapter name is given that why it is written like the disloyal king. Why the king was called the disloyal. And in this chapter, we are going to understand why we need to be loyal to the people. If we don't, what happens? What are the consequences we need to face? That beautiful story that we are going to read it here, and we are going to understand it. I'm going to read it for you. Keeping our promise is very important. Whenever we make a promise to someone, we must keep our promise. Is it? Yes, it is very important to keep our promise whenever we make a promise to someone. Sticking to your words is as important as being sincere. You should keep your promise. A sincere person is respected and regarded well by people. It takes courage, patience, and sometimes determination to remain loyal. It is very important and stick on to your words what you have promised. And a sincere person is respected. Why it is he will be respected? Because he keeps his promises. That's the reason he will be respected by everyone in the society. As well as it takes courage. You need to have that courage and patience sometime, and you need to have the determination to remain loyal. So, children, already we have discussed in previous chapter that what is patience and loyal determination about. You need to have a strong will to keep your promises. It's not so easy to follow what you have promised. Many relationships break up because one person does not keep his words. A long lasting friendship not needs loyalty, no matter what it costs. If you don't keep your promise, you lose trust and hurt others. Never be careless about a promise. First, think before you make a promise, and when you make a promise, make sure you fulfill it. Wonderful to tell you. Children, don't be careless while promising something to someone else. You should be very careful and think twice before promising it. If you have promised it, try to keep it. You think before giving a promise, don't think after promising a person, because a person will wait for you. The one whom you promised, he will wait for your promise. If you don't fulfill your promise, two things will happen that is written here, that you will lose the trust and you will hurt the others. Here is the story of a king who did not keep his promise. Let us read, children. There was once a king who was loved by his people. His people considered him a good, kind, and loving king. See, children, the picture of a beautiful picture of that a king, how people believed him. People considered him a very kind and good, as well as the loving king. One day, the king decided to extend his kingdom further. He decided to conquer some of the neighboring territories. He called the people to his court and told them, I have decided to extend the kingdom by conquering the neighboring kingdom. For that, I need your help. I promise to reward you with money and land in the new territories if we succeed. Till here, it's so great to hear about the king and his promises. Once king decided to conquer over the neighboring territories, so he took the help of his people in his kingdom. And he promised also what he promised. He wanted to give a great reward to them with the money as well as the land if they succeed. Same thing. So people, they agreed to it and they started helping him out. The good king needed men for the battle. The people agreed to help their king and the battle. A bloody battle was fought and won by them. It's a great thing. As they wanted, they did it. They won the fight as well as they were so happy. After the battle, a few days passed. Now the king had immense wealth and land to distribute to his people. As the king was about to distribute the rewards, his queen stopped him from paying the reward. The wicked queen said, Your Majesty, why should you part with so much of your wealth? Your people cannot force you to give away your wealth to them. Just look at the stupid idea which the queen has given to king. The king himself promised to his people he wanted to give off of the great reward to the people as well as the money land to them. But here, just he followed the queen's advice and he also stopped it back. Just look at this story. The king also did not want to part with his freshly acquired wealth. This we could find a great greed in him. So he did as his queen told him. The people felt betrayed. People were eagerly waiting for that king was going to give us a great wealth. The money and land which they needed for them. After a few years, here we could find a few years passed away. The passes. After a few years, the neighboring king decided to win back the territories he had once lost. He built up an extremely strong army and attacked with full force. This time, the neighboring king, who lost his kingdom in previous battle, he decided to come back with the great and the extreme strong army to attack on the same king. The disloyal king had no choice but to turn to his people. Again, the king had to come to the people for their help. But he knew very well that he promised, but he did not keep his promise. He made them same promise. The people agreed to fight only out of fear. When the battle began, the people moved away without putting up any resistance. The king lost the battle and the territories were gone. The king was really upset. He called his people and asked why did they not put up a fight. One of them answered, It was because we are not sure whether you would keep your promise. This is what happened when one does not keep one's word. So children, here finally king had to lost his kingdom because he did not keep his promise. Second time people fought just because, and it's an out of fear they fought, but finally they lost the fight because they knew it. King was not going to keep his promise. He's simply making us fools, so that better we should not resist this fight. So they participated in that, but finally they lost it. So children, this is the consequence which king had to face. Even in our life also, if you have given any promise, if you have promised, if you don't keep it, nobody believes it, and we need to face such a kind of consequences. So children, be careful while promising it. Try to keep your promise, whatever you are promising. If you keep your promise, that will bring you glory as well as the respect in the society. If you don't keep it, you need to face the consequences. So children, finally I want to tell you that have a very loyal life. Don't be disloyal like king.